labanan. Are y'all ready? Kicau, Kicau, Kicau mania. Kicau, Kicau, Kicau mania. Kicau, Kicau, Kicau mania. Kicau, Kicau, Kicau mania.
Orang mangan duwe gaji bulanan, lah wong dudu tak kantoran. Tonggo-tonggo padha isin, yen kepethuk isih esuk. Aku wis ngelus manuk, lungguh dodok nyumet rokok manukku wis manduk-manduk. Enak dadi tak gantangan ditrateni yo lumayan. Setar seko mung laputan rawet tiro sing pos-posan. Manuk sekti mondro kuno, modal nekat karo donga. Mania kawan bayi manukku wani kemaki.
Kicau, Kicau, Kicau mania. Kicau, Kicau, Kicau mania. Kicau, Kicau, Kicau mania. Kicau, Kicau, Kicau.
He's one of the better ground and pound fighters we have in the entire UFC, and you're seeing why. Great submission defense. And there you go again, half guard. Now he's going full mount.
Oh, and he locks up a triangle. That looks tight, DC.
It's very tight. And now he's got to start passing the arm across, pulling down on the head, feed the hips, and he will definitely get a submission. Oh man, that was slick.
Most fighters will tell you offensive wrestling is the hardest, most exhausting thing.
Especially if you're just running the guy over. Jonathan Hayes just gets up.
Really doing a nice job getting these shots home on the front. Oh, staying busy from top position. He lands another ground strike there.
Far pass.
Oh, tight submission attempt now with the Darce.
That Darce choke is tight.
Reaching now, going to position over submission as he bails on the slope. Oh, well, both fighters pretty comfortable on the ground, DC. You got to be very careful hanging out here for too long if you're his opponent. Inside the face, down now.
I mean, he went right into his full guard. What does he do to try to advance himself to give him more of an advantage on the mat?
15 seconds to go. All right, full guard now, DC.
Yes, full guard. Wow, fighter to either posture or lift the pass right away.
风格比啥不新鲜。